Welcome to AutoCAD Designing. This is the SolidWorks 3D modeling, exercise number 17. We make this 3D model with the help of this diagram in minimum and simple steps. Let's start. Launch your SolidWorks software. Click on New, select the part, and then OK. We will make a 3D model help of this diagram. You can check the link of this diagram in the description for your practice. First, we analyze the diagram and decide the steps. At the start, we select the top plane for the sketch. And draw this profile, with this round shape in this capsule slot. Then extrude this up to 16 mm. Then select this face and draw this profile. Extrude this up to 12 mm. We need to mirror this solid for another solid. Our 3D object should be completed. Let's start modeling. Select the top plane and click on the sketch. Select the center rectangle tool from the sketch tab. The select origin point for the center point of the rectangle. Move the cursor, like this. Put the value 44 mm width of the rectangle and press enter. Then put the value 118 mm length of the rectangle and press enter. Next, for this round shape, we draw a circle. Take the circle tool from the sketch tab. For the center point of the circle, we get a reference from this midpoint of the vertical edge of the rectangle. I select the approximate center point here. And we select the next point of the circle on this horizontal edge of the rectangle. Now need to fix the position of the circle. Select the Smart Dimension tool from the sketch tab. Select this circle edge, and the vertical edge of the rectangle. Place the dimension. Put the value 22 mm and press enter. Now we need to trim unwanted edges. Select the trim tool from the sketch tab. Make sure power trim mode is selected. And just drag to trim unwanted edges. Like this. Escape the command. Next, we draw this slot shape. Select the slot tool from the sketch tab. For the first center point, we select this center point of the arc. For the second center point, move the cursor straight horizontally in left direction. Put the value 24 mm. And press enter. Move the cursor like this. Put the value 16 mm. And press enter. Now our sketch is completed. Go to the Feature tab and select the Extruded Embossed Base tool. Put the value 16 mm. See the preview and click on Mark OK. Next, we draw the sketch. Select this face and select the sketch option. Press Ctrl+8 key to making sketch plane normal. Select the corner rectangle tool from the sketch tab. Select this corner point for the first point of the rectangle. Move the cursor in this direction, like this. Put the value 40 mm width of the rectangle and press enter. Then put the value 48 mm length of the rectangle and press enter. Escape the command. Select the circle tool from the sketch tab. For the center point of the circle, we select this midpoint of the horizontal edge of the rectangle. And for the second point, we select this corner point of the rectangle. Once we get the trim tool and erase the unwanted edges from this sketch. Select Power Trim mode. Just drag the left key of the mouse and trim unwanted edges, like this. Escape the command. Once we get the circle tool, and draw a circle with the same center point as the recent circle. Just hold the cursor on this arc, so we got the center snap point of this arc entity. Select the center point and move the cursor. Put the value 20 mm diameter of the circle, and press enter. Escape the command. Rotate the object like this. To get an idea of applying 3D commands, set the view like this. Go to the Feature tab and select the Extruded Boss Base tool. See, the sketch extrudes the opposite direction as compared to our 3D object. You can switch the extruding direction by dragging this arrow, like this. Also, you can switch the extruding direction by click on this icon. Like this. Choose the correct direction as you required. Put the extruding value 12 mm. See the preview. And click on Mark OK. For this second solid, we need to mirror the recent solid step. We have to mirror on this side. Select this last created step from the design tree. See the highlighting object. We required the mirror reference at the middle of the object. Select the mirror tool from the Feature tab. In the Mirror Face Plane section, we select a suitable plane from this part of history. In my case, the front plane is the correct plane for the mirror in this segment. Select the plane and see this preview in yellow wireframe. Confirm the preview and click on Mark OK. Fillet the required edges as shown in the diagram at approximate dimensions. Take the Fillet tool from the Feature tab and put the fillet radius 2.5 mm. Select the edges and see the preview. Click on Mark OK. Our 3D model is completed. Let me choose some material for this object. Go to Appearance, drop down the Appearance, and select Metal. Select Chrome Material. And I choose Premium Plate Material. Just drag it on the object and select the Body option. Now, here we applied material on this 3D object. You can choose any other material as you like or as per your requirement. Thank you for watching. See you in the next exercise tutorial. Have a nice day.